ZWCAD's upgraded data extraction redefines efficiency. Extract information like equipment schedules effortlessly. What's new? The workflow is fully redesigned for faster, smoother operation. Extract data from multiple drawings, ZREFs, and nested blocks efficiently. Customize table styles and reuse extraction templates to streamline everyday tasks. Objects changed? Right-click the linked table and select Update Data Extraction to sync instantly. Need quick area and length calculations? The enhanced area table function now includes length measurement, delivering combined area and length statistics, all in one table. Need coordinate data for multiple objects? Batch extract coordinates from circles, polylines, and blocks. Perfect for architecture, civil engineering, urban planning, and mechanical design. Smarter data extraction, fully upgraded. Download ZWCAD and experience the difference now.